What if the deadliest weapons on Earth were suddenly unleashed, not during a test, but in a real high-stakes battlefield? In this video, we explore the terrifying possibilities of modern superweapons, what they can do, and what might happen if they are ever used in actual combat. Hypersonic weapons like Russia's Avangard or the US AGM-183A move so fast they can bypass nearly every missile defense system. If deployed, they could destroy a command center across the globe in under 15 minutes. But what happens next? Escalation, counterattacks, and possibly nuclear response. Laser weapons are no longer sci-fi. The U.S. Navy's Helios system can neutralize threats at the speed of light, silently and without traditional ammunition. If used in open warfare, they could rewrite naval dominance overnight by making missile swarms obsolete. Imagine a war where enemy defenses are irrelevant. Stealth bombers can strike without warning, deep inside enemy territory. If the B-21 Raider were activated in conflict, it could disable an entire airbase before radar even picked it up. Kinetic energy weapons use sheer speed to destroy targets. No explosives needed. A deployed railgun on a Navy ship could destroy enemy vessels over 100 miles away in seconds, changing naval tactics forever. AI-driven warfare isn't coming. It's already here. Swarm drones can overwhelm defenses, while autonomous tanks make real-time decisions on the battlefield. If deployed without restraint, wars could be fought in minutes by machines. These superweapons could shift the balance of power overnight. But their greatest threat lies not just in their firepower, but in their potential to trigger uncontrollable escalation. Are we ready for that future? Or is it already here?